Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to remove the mass airflow sensor. Right, I looked through all YouTube and I can't find any video about how to do this. Okay, so I had to figure out myself. So it's gonna be a little tricky, right? Because obviously I'm holding my phone right now. So first you press down here, move this out of the way. Now I have a small screwdriver, right? All you have to do is put a small screwdriver through this gap right here. You lift it. You lift that tab a little bit to go through that piece of plastic right there, over it, and then twist to the left. And there you go. So as you guys can see that little tap right there. All right, once you put it in, it's gonna lock it in place with that little ramp. It's kind of like a ramp. Let me see if I see it in a different angle. Yeah, there you go. This right here. You see? So it gets stuck in there. Now you cannot twist it to the right because it's not gonna go to the right. You're gonna break it. So you have to kind of like lift, like I say, that little tab with a small, very small screwdriver. You see the mark right there? Lift it carefully and then twist it to the left and pull it out. So to put it back in, you do the same way. You do it the same way. So you put it in. You see that mark right there? And then twist it. And this little tab is gonna go over the ramp and lock it in place. Now, I believe if you still break that little tab right there, it's not gonna do anything. So don't worry about it, still locking in place, okay? All right guys, thanks for watching.